If you're anything like me, then you are excited for the new season upon us. Fall. The fall girlies have defrosted. Now, with the exciting new season comes new fashion trends. And if you've been scrolling through social media seeing all the new fashion trends and wondering, how in the world do I actually wear them? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fall fashion trends work for you, from plaids, faux leather, draped jackets, pencil skirts, and more. How to style these pieces to create an autumn aesthetic in a way that feels authentic to your personal style and help you maximize your wardrobe. Because on this channel, we don't wear things once and shove it in the back of our closet. The fall 2025 fashion season is leaning heavily into a rich, warm, and sophisticated color palette, brown earthy tones. For 2025 Pantone, the Color Institute named the color of the year Mocha Mousse, a rich, comforting brown. So it's no surprise that we are getting all these rich and luxurious browns for fall 2025. These rich tones instantly elevate any look, adding a sense of polished style. And this trend is also popular because of its versatility, timelessness, and gives off a quiet luxury statement. It's versatile because these colors are incredibly easy to mix and match. They work for a wide range of styles, from streetwear to more professional attire. Here's a monochromatic look, which is one of the most impactful ways to wear this trend. A head-to-toe look in brown creates a long, lean, and incredible chic silhouette. Now, this power suit here can be worn for a more office wear outfit, and if you separate the pieces, you can style the brown blazer with jeans to create a more streetwear outfit. The versatility of this color is amazing. Now, this trend can be timeless because, unlike fleeting trends, these shades are classic and they won't go out of style. If you're looking to invest in high quality pieces, these tones ensure a timeless wardrobe that will last for years. Key pieces that are great to invest in: outerwear pieces, sweaters, vests, bags, and skirts. These are the pieces that will form the backbone of your fall fashion looks. The pencil skirt is making a powerful return as a major fall 2025 fashion trend, but with a modern, more updated, and a twist. While the silhouette has always been a classic, this season it's being redefined beyond traditional office wear. This season you will see pencil skirts in more maxi and midi lengths and different materials like wool, leather, sequins, satin, and more. Designers are experimenting with a wide range of materials to give the pencil skirt a fresh feel. The pencil skirt trend for fall 2025 are being styled in diverse ways for various occasions, from classic office looks with perhaps a blazer to more casual ensembles like with a t-shirt and sneakers. Now, why are pencil skirts so popular for fall 2025? One major reason is because the fashion world is moving away from the flashy logos of past seasons to a more refined, understated aesthetic. Now, this focuses on elegant fashion and wardrobe staples. It makes the pencil skirt a perfect investment piece. Another great thing about pencil skirt for this fall fashion season is the sleek fitted silhouette of the pencil skirt, which provides the perfect contrast to other popular trends such as an oversized outerwear, chunky footwear like loafers. This season, the pencil skirt is being styled in ways that transcends the 9-to-5 workday. Now, let's talk about prints that are trending this season. Animal prints are definitely on the rise this season that are bold and luxurious. Leopard print is back in full force, and snake print is a major breakout star this season, offering a more refined and sophisticated take on the whole animal print trend. Leopard has been elevated to a neutral, which means it can be treated as a foundational piece in your wardrobe. This season is all about a confident and bold take, but it's still incredibly versatile. The popularity of this print is a counter trend to the understated, quiet luxury aesthetic, but there's small ways to incorporate the trend without going overboard, like a belt, earrings, or even accessories. On a personal note, Old Patty was a huge leopard print fan, but as my style keeps evolving and changing, I love the print in more subtle ways. Here's more ways you can style the leopard print trend. You can make a statement with the print and try a leopard print coat or a jacket to stand out against an all solid color outfit. You can try a leopard dress for a more bold and trendy look. You can also try mixing a bold leopard print top with a more simple bottom like a skirt or trousers to balance the outfit. The contrast between the bold print and a minimalistic top or vice versa creates a polished yet edgy look. And again, if you're not ready to go all in leopard print, accessories are the perfect entry point. A leopard print bag, scarf, or a pair of leopard print shoes can instantly elevate a simple fall outfit. Now, if you like animal print but leopard print is too bold for you, then snake print is the more subtle alternative to its bolder cousin, leopard print. This fall 2025 fashion trend is a perfect blend of edgy and elegant, appealing to those who want to make a statement without being overly flashy. Now, snake print stands out for its unique, often monochromatic or more muted color palette. It's a key print for the season, showing up on runways from Valentino to Christian Dior, and it's being embraced by fashion insiders as an it print for its versatility and chic appeal. Snake print footwear is arguably the most popular way to wear the trend. Snake print boots, especially in ankle and knee-high styles, they can be worn with everything from jeans and a sweater to a more sleek midi skirt, offering a modern and more confident finishing touch. I have a series here on how to style tall boots, and snake print boots are always on the agenda because they are an easy way to add a pop to any subtle fall outfit. Like leopard, snake print is being treated as a neutral. It pairs beautifully with this season's trending brown earthy tones, as well as other classic shades like black, white, or gray. This allows for endless mixing and matching, making it a surprisingly versatile addition to your fall wardrobe. Now, if all this animal print talk is not for you, but you want a little bit of print to spice up your fall wardrobe, plaid print remains a fall favorite for 2025, but this year they have been seen in fresh new ways beyond the classic flannel. Look for more updated colors like neutral, more innovative and asymmetrical designs. It's a pattern that can effortlessly transition from a sophisticated office look to a more relaxed weekend ensemble. And don't be afraid to style plaid this fall 2025. For a more sophisticated and polished aesthetic, designers are favoring more tonal plaids in muted color palettes. So think of a mix of gray, black, cream, and olive. These subtle checks are perfect for embodying the quiet luxury trend and look incredibly chic on tailored pieces like skirts, blazers, trousers, and trench coats. A plaid suit is a major power dressing statement for the season as well. Plaid can serve as a versatile outerwear as well. Plaid coats and jackets are a key investment piece for fall 2025. Also, a plaid blazer is a favorite for this season, but you'll also see plaid bombers, a long wool coat as well. Plaid for fall 2025 is all about embracing its classic roots while giving it a modern twist. So whether you opt for a sleek, tailored look or a bold, rebellious statement, there's a plaid style for every fall outfit. If there is one recurring trend I love season after season is faux leather. Faux leather has become a sophisticated and widely used material in fall 2025 fashion, thanks to advancements in production that make it look and feel more realistic than ever. It's no longer a cheap imitation, it's more of a fashion-forward choice that fits with the season's focus on texture and elevated basics. Now, faux leather outerwear is a popular choice for this trend. A faux leather jacket is a must-have for the season. Look for on-trend styles like faux leather bomber jackets for a more casual, cool vibe, or a tailored faux leather blazer for a polished and sleek look. A faux leather trench coat is also a major piece for colder days. Faux leather pants and leggings are incredibly popular. They provide a comfortable yet edgy alternative to the traditional denim or trousers. They can be styled with oversized knit sweaters, structured blazers, or simple tops for a versatile fall outfit. Now also, you can't forget leather skirts or shorts as well for the fall. The faux leather pencil skirt is a modern and stylish take on classic silhouettes, often seen in a midi or more maxi length. Faux leather shorts, when paired with like a chunky knit or boots, offer a playful, unexpected look for the transitioning from warmer to cooler weather. This is definitely my favorite trend for fall 2025. Loafers are a definite fall 2025 fashion trend, solidifying their status as a key footwear staple. They perfectly align with the season's focus on classic, polished dressing and the popular quiet luxury aesthetic I keep telling you guys about. This year, the trend is less about a single style and more about the versatility and details that give a loafer its personality. I know this is not a shoe style for everyone, so let me know in the comments, yay or nay for loafers for you. Loafers are no longer just for the office. They're being styled for every occasion, from casual streetwear to evening wear. The key to their popularity is their ability to add a sense of sophistication and effortless cool to any fall outfit. You have so many loafer styles to choose from. You have chunky loafers, classic loafers, heeled loafers. There's also many materials and colors to choose from. One popular way to style them is with socks. Pairing them with a simple white sock or a pattern one adds a playful feel to your fall look. I'm personally not a fan of the style too much because it kind of gives off Michael Jackson vibe, but there's so many ways to style them. Loafers pair well with trousers, skirts, dresses, jeans, pretty much anything in your wardrobe. It's all about making it match your personal style. Loafers are presented as a versatile, elevated choice for the transitional fall weather, fitting into the larger trend of incorporating preppy elements. Vests are absolutely a major trend for fall 2025 fashion, having cemented their place as a versatile and essential layering piece. They've evolved from a simple accessory to a statement-making item that can transform an entire outfit. This season, vests are all about sophisticated tailoring and strategic layering. The vest trend for fall 2025 is a mix of polished structure and relaxed ease. Now, tailored vests as tops are my favorite. This is the most dominant vest trend, drawing inspiration from classic menswear. Tailored vests are being worn buttoned up as a top in a place of a blouse. From slightly looser fit to more traditional slim fitting styles, you can create amazing fall outfit ideas with vests this season. Now, sweater vests are the more traditional style of vests, and they made huge headlines a few seasons ago, and they are continuing their reign. For fall 2025, look for versions with bold prints, earthy colors like brown. They can be worn on their own for a warm day, great for pre-fall looks, or they can be layered over a simple long sleeve, a classic button-down shirt, or even a slip dress for a fun preppy look. Now, for a more casual outdoor inspired look, puffer vests and utility vests are highly sought after. These are perfect for adding a sporty, functional touch to an outfit. While certain styling choices are trendy, the vest itself is a timeless wardrobe staple. Investing in a high quality vest means you'll have a versatile piece you can wear for many seasons to come. If learning how to style these fashion trends were helpful to you, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you never miss a video. If you're excited for fall but it's still too warm where you live, here's a video with fall outfit ideas when it's hot outside.